Welders, multitask your skill set. Sometimes you might get laid off on a situation on a job, or you might get fired, or you might get slow in the area, but you still a welder. There's a lot you can do. You can do fabrication. You can learn how to do it. You can do service calls. You can do piecework. There's so much you can do, but you have to advertise yourself and you have to multitask yourself. Like, just don't place yourself in a box. I think welders are very skilled and talented because we can cross over to different fields. You can help the manufacturing field, the industrial field. You can help the food industry field. There's so many things you can do. The furniture field, the car industry field, the home industry field. There's so much you can do. So don't limit yourself. And now is the time to actually learn how to build a business, learn how to start you an LLC, learn how to start branding yourself. So that way, when times like this happen, you won't panic. HogOn.